Okay, how did you find our office?
My friend Jan lives in Woodbury, and I'm from Mankato. And she told me about Woodbury Dental Arts. So I made an appointment because I had a bridge on two of my teeth, and I didn't like it, and they were going to do a root canal. I refused that, so I came up here, and I'm extremely happy that I had it done. It was painless. I didn't feel a thing, went to sleep, woke up, I was done. And now I have a flipper in my mouth. And so I have to wait now 5 months to have the teeth put in. Because I had implants, the posts, what they call posts.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So excited about that.
All right. Thank you so much.
And Dr. Kamel is fabulous.
Thank
and all his staff.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm.